This is Isaac Clark from the Computer Science 110 class with Mr. Wellman at 9 o'clock, and this is extra credit problem 2. So right here we've got a function dotted zig that takes argument size, and that just draws two of these little dashed lines right there, or dotted lines. And then we have a line of them right here, and it checks if it's on top or on the bottom, and on top would be like that, and on the bottom would be like that. So they start at different angles, so that's why it takes that argument. And otherwise it just draws 5 dotted zigs. Oh, and adds one to the global variable line, so it can keep track of where it is on the pattern. Then we have the cube of zigs, which it goes through and it tells line of zigs if it's on the top or the bottom. It also checks the line, and if it's divisible by 10, that means it's at right here or right here. It's at the bottom of one of the cubes, and it will go forward. But if it's even right here, then that means it's one of these. So it'll also go forward, but a greater amount. And cube just draws a square. And all cubes puts together cube and cube zigs, so that draws the cube and then draws the zigzags inside of it. And this is really just directions so that you can get to the next cube to draw all that. And yeah, it's a pretty simple program all in all.